There was a study done in the UK where hair loss was the most psychologically devastating event for people. I've actually had patients who haven't left their house because of their hair loss. So when they see their hair regrowing, it's absolutely fantastic. I grew up in medicine. My father was one of the first doctors in the United States doing hair transplant surgery, and my son is a derm surgeon. We're the only three-generation family in the world doing hair restoration surgery, so hair is very important to us. Hi, Christina. How you doing today?
Good afternoon, Dr. Greco.
What's been going on?
For the past 6 months, I've noticed an increase in the amount of hair that's shedding and in my brush and in the shower.
You're shedding?
Yes.
Okay. If I can just do a pull test, and usually if we pull more than 3 to 4 hairs out at one time, it's a positive test. 10 years ago, 7 of 10 people who came to our clinic were males who wanted a hair transplant. Today, 7 out of 10 patients are females who come looking for non-surgical improvement for shedding hair or for thinning hair. We also treat various hair loss diseases like alopecia areata, discoid lupus, lichen planus pilaris. Patients come to our clinic from actually 70 countries and every state in the United States because we have developed patented methods to improve non-surgical hair restoration.
You're going to feel just a little stick, 1, 2, and 3. Perfect.
I've been using regenerative medicine therapies with hair for 10 years. And regenerative medicine is exciting because it is the most versatile and safest therapy today. The growth factors in Restore help improve hair by increasing the amount of new blood circulation to the hair follicle, which will make the follicle bigger. It will help turn on fat cells where the vascular stromal stem cells are to grow hair faster. It will help move the hair that's in the resting phase into the growing phase, which will also help hair to grow faster. With Restore, we can now amplify the results of autologous therapy and increase the effects of regenerative medicine.
Almost done. You doing okay?
Perfect.
Take the band off. 1, 2, and 3. Christina, I'm just going to take this into the lab.
Proteins from our own platelets can help increase the diameter of the hair shaft by creating new blood circulation, can help improve hair to grow sooner and denser. By adding more proteins from another source, we can amplify the effects of the platelet-rich plasma. When we used Restore, we simply combined it with a proprietary method of platelet-rich plasma. Non-surgically, our treatment typically takes 1 hour of office time. We extract your blood, we separate the components of the blood, and we concentrate the platelets that can help regenerate hair. We're extracting the proteins and getting rid of all the other cells. Then we infuse the Restore and the PRP. The processing takes about 30 minutes, and the treatment actually takes 5 minutes.
I'm just going to go ahead and wet your head. This is just a little bit of saline.
We're going to start by anesthetizing your scalp. Sharon's going to be using a vibrator. The vibrators kind of distract some of the pain of the injection. How you feeling?
Good, I can't feel anything.
Good. Next, we're going to microneedle. When you create a slight wound in the scalp, it stimulates the stem cells in the hair follicle to want to heal the wound and also sends a signal down to the follicle to go into an early growth phase. And now we'll do the injections of the PRP and the Restore. We go in a grid about a centimeter apart. Even though we just treat the whole top of your head, you're going to get migration of these platelets and growth factors all over your scalp. And that's it.
Perfect.
And we'll massage your scalp. The Restore is very safe. There has never been a adverse reaction, and we're all done. What's really nice is there's no downtime non-surgically. Turn your head to the right. Some people will see an immediate improvement to the character of their hair. It looks shinier, it's brighter, it has more bounce to it. Perfect. We actually have patients whose hair is regenerating and getting darker, going back to their natural color. When patients see successful hair growth, they're ecstatic. It gives them confidence, and there isn't a procedure that makes you look younger than when you restore your hair.